Augustus, you want to play with your toy? Huh. Is it 'cause you're scared of engines? Or are you just tired? You just tired? He doesn't want to go out the open door, which is rare, so I'm thinking he might be afraid of the engines a bit. Not a good start. Today is a big day for us because we're moving on to the boat. We hope we get all of our stuff. Maureen's been getting all the stuff ready in here. Is it ready?
Half of it is.
Half of it's ready. So we drove into the boatyard. The boat's right there. Augustus is right there looking at us through the window, wondering why we're in here. But we just got to move on there, and tonight will be our first night sleeping on the boat, right?
Yes.
You excited?
Yeah.
See at the end of the move if we're feeling as positive as we're feeling right now.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. These are for Florida registration. Florida, so the reason we don't pay sales tax is we're not Florida residents, but we have to get out of Florida within 90 days. That's why this expires on March 21st. So if we need an additional 90 days, we can pay for additional 90 days, but we're hoping we can get out of here. So as long as we get out of Florida before the 90 days expires, we don't have to pay the Florida second sales tax, or we have to pay for the extension, but we're hoping we can get these down here. But these are our official stickers that is like the registration on your car, I guess, but these aren't regular ones. They're just for that special exemption period that you get.
Okay.
Is that good?
Put them on.
Augustus, you want to go put it on?
Augustus, you stay here.
He's so anxious to go outside.
Yeah, he really wants to.
Put one on each window. We're putting them out here.
Good job.
There's one, Sam. Looks like nobody ever put one over here before. I think you're supposed to have it on both sides. That one's a little crooked, but it gets it flare. This is now the inside of our boat. Just a little bit of stuff that needs to get put up. Let's look outside. But it's got to be better, right? Ooh.
That bad.
Yeah, pretty bad. Uh-oh. Sunset. And it's going to be dark on us while we're doing it. Putting up this stuff. It's a nice sunset.
Don't sass me. Bad. No.
Captain of the ship.
He just grabbed my leg.
I saw.
You jerk. You were a big jerk today. What is going on?
How'd the day go?
It was fun, I think.
Did you get as much done as you thought you were going to get done?
Probably. We have a lot of crap. We have more crap than I thought we did. I don't know how all this stuff was in the RV. How was your day?
It was a lot going back and forth from the RV, just loading up that wheelbarrow and getting here. I thought it'd take 4 or 5 loads. It took about 10 or 20.
You know, it's going to take 4 or 5 loads to get all our stuff over here?
Yeah.
Sorry. Your expectations were way skewed. I think it took like 20, you're right, didn't it?
Yep, but my back hurts pretty good now.
Mine does too.
Tomorrow we'll need to go through all this stuff. There's just a wall of stuff all around here for Augustus to destroy tonight.
Well, the difference I think in the boat and the RV is that the boat has so much more of its own like stuff. Like the RV has stuff that you have to take care of the RV, but it's nothing like the boat. Like that whole queen berth in there under the bed, all that storage is batteries and the inverter and all the electrical stuff. And then this one in here is spare parts under the bed and extra line and all kinds of junk. And then under our bed, half of it is spare parts and sail drive stuff and extra stools that were here and all kinds of stuff. So it's just, all the storage is here. It's just full of stuff for the boat.
Tomorrow we'll try to put up some of this stuff, and I think we need to touch everything that we own and decide where it goes or decide to get rid of it. And then pull in the RV, get the rest of it out. Today's Wednesday. Get that done tomorrow, and then Friday try to get that done so I can start working on the RV to list it. And so, did have some interest from another boat owner. I don't think they're that serious, but
are they shopping? Are they looking for one?
Well, she really liked it.
Yeah. I mean, are they
she
looking
really
for an
liked
RV?
it,
Or
and he was kind of like, calm down, calm down. And they have a really nice boat. I'd trade it for that boat. So it's a tough day. It's just like moving. Whenever you move from a house to another house or apartment to another apartment or anything like that, there's always a lot more stuff than you think. And
no, I put that one up when you found it.
Fetch. I think sleeping tonight's gonna be.
I'm excited. That's a queen bed, right?
Sleeping in the new place.
We got new sheets for the bed.
You think it's gonna be cold?
Yep, it's gonna be cold. That's
Might be
the only
cold.
thing. It's gonna be cold, and we don't really have a heater. It's cold. At least maybe he'll snuggle up with us and not be a pain in the butt if he's cold.
Yeah, that's the one thing about when it's cold is Augustus tends to
Behave.
sleep instead of cuddle, and instead of run all over the place. What is this from?
How do we get this off so I can have some chips?
That's the chip clip.
I don't know what to do with it. I found a lot of chip clips while I was cleaning.
My dad gave me this, and it's a chip clip.
Release. Mm-hmm.
That's enough for the video. Cut.
Look at him. He wants to snuggle with you, but you're playing on your phone.
He's just cold.
He wants to snuggle with
Of
you.
course he does. He's cold.
Look at him. He's so hard. He's like, stop it. I want to snuggle. Stop playing on your phone.